Speaking crisp and clear English is a dream for those who want to learn this language. It is not difficult to learn any language. Method and awareness will take you through the journey. Hello friends, my name is Dimple and I am going to help you with understanding of this language. So let us understand sentence elements. Sentence elements. Main elements of the sentence are subject, verb and object. Subject, verb and object makes a meaningful sentence. So if you want to form a simple sentence in English, you need to know what subject, verb and object is and how they are placed in a sentence. Subject. The person who performs the action or does the work is called the subject. It can be a noun or it can be a pronoun. It can be singular and it can be plural. Here I have made a table to understand how singular and plural is applied in first person, second person and third person. So in first person we have I and we, where I is singular and we is plural. You is in the second person, you as in the person who is opposite to you. Third person is he, she, it, name. So it can be a name of any person, place or river. These are all singular. Third person is they, which is plural. So you can see that we and they are plural. So this is a table that you need to learn and understand it carefully. So coming to verbs, so verbs are action that we do. Examples is speak, walk, sit, play, dance. And here in picture you can see some of the action words like draw, hop, jump, read, dive, swim, etc. So any action that is being done is called a verb. Okay, coming to object. The person or thing on which the action is done is called the object. So this object can be table, chalk, water, soap, pen, almirah, etc. And you can see some of the object in the pictures here which are used in the sentences as per the requirement of the sentence. Okay, here we have a formula, a simple formula which has a subject, verb and an object. So if we make a sentence as in I like tea, how we are going to change in subject, verb and object form? So if we change the subject for I like tea becomes you like tea, we like tea and Mohan likes tea. So the subject is changed to you, we and Mohan. So this is how you learn to change on the subject. Coming to change the verb. So if you change the verb like to hate, drink and want, it becomes I like tea, I hate tea, I drink tea and I want tea. And if we change the object, for example, if I change tea to pizza, clothes or dogs, the sentence becomes I like pizza, I like clothes, I like dogs. So this is a simple exercise to learn to make simple sentences. I hope you understand this and you can make multiple sentences by using subject, verb and object to form simple sentences. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.